In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for keeping your financial data organized and ensuring your accountant has the right level of access to help manage your business's finances effectively. Follow along as we walk through each step clearly and concisely. First, begin by clicking on the Sign In button. This will lead you to the QuickBooks Online login page where you can begin the process of managing your accountants. Now choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This ensures that you are directed to the correct portal for accessing your business's financial tools. Once there, go ahead and type in your login credentials. Make sure that your username and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've double checked those details, click on the Continue button to gain access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. With access granted, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu. To do this, look for the gear icon often found at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Users. This section is where you control who can access your QuickBooks account and what they can do once they're in. Next, you'll need to select Accounting Firms from the sidebar on the left. This area specifically manages the accountants who are linked to your account. Within this section, you'll see a drop-down menu beside the accountant's name you wish to remove. Click on this drop-down to reveal more options. Now find and click on the Delete option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's always good to double check before making changes, especially when it involves access permissions. Confirm by clicking on Delete once more. This action will immediately remove the specified accountant's access from your QuickBooks account. With that done, you may want to invite a new accountant. To do this, locate the Invite button at the top right corner of the accounting firm's page. Click on it and you'll receive a form to fill out the details of the accountant you wish to add. Start by entering the first name of your new accountant followed by their last name. Ensure that these details are spelled correctly, as they will be used in all formal communications. Next, input the accountant's email address. The accuracy of the email is crucial since the invitation to join your QuickBooks Online will be sent here. After you've entered all the necessary information, finalize the process by clicking on the Save button. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your accountants within QuickBooks Online. By keeping these steps in mind, you can easily control who has access to your business's financial data, ensuring that it remains both organized and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.